You might remember in physics class learning about inertia. Things at rest tend to stay at rest unless some force is acted upon them. Things in motion tend to stay in motion unless some force is acted upon them. My name is Paul Bazolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 6, Section 3, number 16, which you really need to get over your inertia in order to get this question correct. So 16 reads, if a to the b over 4 equals 16 for positive integers a and b, what is one value of b? So I know it's asking about b, but in order to get to 16, we need a number for that base. So we could pick a number for a, and if you're picking a number for a, it says that it's got to be positive. What's the easiest positive number to work with? 1. But what you realize is that if you raise 1 to any power, all you get is 1. So what do? You make your a equal to 2. So let's say a equals 2. And then what we're going to get is 2 to the b over 4. That's a 4. That's a terrible 4. It looks like a y. Make it look more like a 4. Over 4 equals 16. And what you might know is that 2 to the 4th equals 16. So in other words, if 2 to the b over 4 equals 16 and 2 to the 4th equals 16, it's like a substitution problem. In place of this 16, you could put 2 to the b over 4. And what you get is 2 to the b over 4 equals 2 to the 4th. Now whenever you've got the same base, you could just drop it. And now we get b over 4 equals 4. And the same thing as b over 4 equals 4 over 1. You could put multiply both sides by 4 at this point, or you could put the 4 over 1, cross multiply and set equal, and you get b equals 16. Now, that's just one possible answer here. You might also know that 4 squared equals 16. So in other words, if your a is 4, then your b would actually be 8. So 16's one possible answer. If you know that, mark it, move on. 8's another possible answer. If you know that, mark it, move on. And so there's more than one possible answer for this question. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with exponents. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. For a shortcut, check us out on TikTok. And have a great day.